Good afternoon and welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Orkney Grey Metallic. Lovely that. Freelander 2.2. It's an SD4 HSE Luxury Automatic. HSE Luxury, so that's top of the range. Has done 96,000 miles by its two owners from new. Has very good service history, including a cam belt and water pump replacement at 89,000 miles. Serviced at 13, 20, 29, 38, 44, 54, 63, 69, 76, 83, 89 including the cam belt, 93, etc. Incredible service history. Orkney Grey Metallic, lovely condition. Diamond cut 19-inch and anthracite alloy wheels, freshly refurbished, so they are like brand new. Front park sensors, headlamp washers, front fog lamps, nice tyres, unbelievable service history, cam belt replaced, black leather, HSE Lux, so panoramic roofs ×2, front one tilts and slides. They've got those pull across sunshades as well. Got a tow bar which is nice, looks to be a removable one. Looks like you can put a key in or something. Anyway, got a tow bar, load cover is in there, boots nice and clean, rear park sensors. Immaculate alloy wheels, pretty Scorpion on the back. Freshly refurbished, look at that wheel. Not covered in stone chips, but it's 96,000 miles. It's got a few little marks, but not a lot. Nice Bosch wiper blades, always good. Panoramic roofs, I've got the front one tilted, it does slide back. Black leather, piano black, Meridian on the hi-fi, Land Rover fitted rubber mats throughout, electric seats, heated seats, front armrests, reverse camera, heated leather steering wheel, nice with the piano black on the steering wheel and on the dashboard, embellishers, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, heated seat buttons, climate control, armrests, electronic handbrake, automatic gearbox, got all the terrain response buttons down there for your mud and snow, etc., gravel, for the four-wheel drive system. Mats are in the back as well. Yeah, nice. Price of this vehicle, $10,595. Good value for a 13-plate HSE luxury automatic. Obviously because it's done a few miles, but it's only two owners. It's lovely service history. It's had the cam belt done, and these are a strong engine. Electric mirrors, folding mirrors, heated mirrors. Electric windows all round, of course. Little button in there for your heated steering wheel that you only get on the HSE Luxury unless you pay for it. Voice control, cruise control, 96,969 miles. Heated seat buttons down there, armrests, leather on the driver's seat, nice condition. Electric memory driver's seat. Yeah, nice car. So, there we go. £10,595. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website. This vehicle will be hosted on our YouTube. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock, and you would be one of the first people in the country to know we just had that vehicle in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.